Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Violet and I'm super happy to have you here. I'm one half of this channel, the other being my sister Brainy, who normally uploads on Wednesdays, so if that's another person or another part of the channel that you would like to watch, then be sure to catch her on Wednesdays. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another birthday collective haul. I did do just one the other couple of weeks. Can I speak English today? But if this is something you're interested in, then just keep on watching. So in this haul video, I am going to be a little more organized than I have been in the past, or at least what I've been known for. So I'm going to be starting off with the Dollar Tree portion of this haul video. There is multiple stores in this, so it is a collective haul from a bunch of different stores, but we're going to focus mainly on Dollar Tree. So, first things first, this is not something I normally show on this channel. I just kind of have it thrown up in the backdrop, and it's just like, hey, surprise, look, it's something new. But since I like to kind of theme some of these videos depending on the holiday or the day that I make the video, so example, month of March is my birthday, so I put up the happy birthday banner for myself. We will do it for Brandy, don't you worry. We won't forget about her. But since Easter's coming up in the next month, which is really just around the corner if we really think about it, because these days go by so fast. But I saw this at the dollar store, and it is the cutest thing ever. It's a felt bunny garland with pom-poms. So this is what it says. And just look how stinking cute this is. Like, there's just a bunch of little bunnies that are made out of felt, and their little bunny butt tail things are made out of pom-poms. And I thought that was so cute. So it is going to be like a banner, so it is going to string across, such as like the happy birthday one behind me, or those little like silver circle ones. So I think this is going to be so cute, so perfect for Easter. It's going to decorate and kind of like go with the holiday of Easter and the eye look that we tend to do, or whatever we decide to do. So this will definitely be up in the backdrop behind us. I always go to the health and beauty section of the dollar store first, because I'm always interested in what's new in the makeup, what's new in skincare. Is there anything, worth picking up, or at least worth trying? And I saw another name brand mask. This one is from Neutrogena, so it's going to be really expensive. So this is what it looks like. So I picked up two, one for Brandy and one for myself. So that way we can try, because her and I, we love masks. We love just kind of decompressing with a mask. And this one says it peels away skin impurities and unclogs pores to reveal soft, healthy looking skin. So I will definitely be throwing this into a video, probably in like a full video of like every single mask that I have or something. I don't know, we'll see. They came out with new masks. Do I have a problem right now? I think I do. So I bought all of the masks that they had. And then I saw some more lashes at the dollar store from the same brand, Ioni, and I picked up 4 of them, and this is in the style called Wispy Dramatic. I saw this pink box, and I was like, yep, mine. So I knew I had to grab more lashes, because hello, I love lashes. So it's a really pretty pink box. So that's everything for the Dollar Tree portion, and then we're going to go ahead and get on to the Walmart section of this video. And I saw Walmart actually is carrying some of Profusion Cosmetics brushes, and that is ultimately what I was looking forward to purchase. I just got one to try, and this was the ultimate one I was looking at. It's the Eyeshadow Pointed Crease Brush, or the ES3 brush. So this is what it looks like. Packaging is super pretty, super sleek. I love the black and gold. I picked up this one called Oh My Lashes. And yes, Oh My Lashes. So I wanted to try this one for a start. I'm not too sure how they'll feel, how they'll, kind of look on my eyes, how I'll like them. It says they're handmade and cruelty-free, flexible, comfortable, invisible band. So I know there was this one called Oh My Lashes, and then 3 other sets that came in just like this box. Next up from Walmart, I picked up another Wet n Wild Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. This is in the small purple tube. They do have one in like a more chubbier pink packaging, but I picked this one up because of the smaller precision comb brush. So instead of it being more of like fatter, wider, this one's just this really skinny one. I needed to pick up another one because my current one is kind of old and running out. And it's not doing the job as it, once used to. So I just kind of wanted to repurchase this. I love this for my bottom lashes. I feel like the really tiny brush handle, it's easy to go and coat the bottom lashes rather than using the more chubbier kind of brush. So love this. And last pair of lashes, yes, I'm giving it away, lashes. I actually saw this brand, or at least the brand owners. I saw them on Shark Tank, and I immediately loved their energy. They were super gorgeous ladies, and they had their own makeup line showing up in Walmarts as well. And I was like, hey, I actually want to try them, support them, Latina-owned brand. Let's support one another. I'm, Latina as well. Although I don't look like it, I look super freaking white. I understand that most people mistake me for it, but I do have a little Mexican in me, so I did want to support some fellow Latinas. And this is the brand called Luna Magic, and it says beauty with a Latina vibe. Look at this packaging, super fun, bright. It's like fiesta, it's like a party, and it says on the back, for the girl who belongs to no one but herself. And I was like, heck yes, empowerment here. And this is in the style called Rebelde. I'm actually going to swap the two, so I'm actually going to show you what I got from TJ Maxx. I thought it was Marshall's and it was actually TJ Maxx, but this was the only item I picked up from TJ Maxx. And of course, do I need more? No. But I wanted to try these lashes. They're from Pure Cosmetics. And these are in the style called Socialite. Yes, I'm trying so hard to see what this title of the lashes are, but I want to try this. We're going to go ahead and finish off the video with everything that I got from Ulta. So Ulta, of course, I get double the points, and I got a free gift for my birthday. So for March free month gift, it is a little cute tiny bottle of a Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water there. I was going to call it just water, but this is the bottle. I actually really love these facial sprays from Mario Badescu. I have one already in my collection or in my drawer, but it's not the smell that I particularly am fond of. I love the aloe one the most, and then it follows by the green tea, and then the last is like the lavender. I wanted to try a new primer, so I saw this one from Essence. It's called the Prime Plus Studio Hydrating and Skin Refreshing Primer. I think the last time I have tried a primer was probably back in 2019, and it was the NYX one. But this one is a 24-hour hydration plus coconut water plus hyaluronic acid. It's got 30 milliliters or 1.01 fluid ounces. So I'm super excited to try this out. And then next up, I did pick up another Essence product because I want to try more from them. And I saw these new liquid lipsticks from them. And of course, I want to try their formula, try the few shades. So I picked up one to start. It is the Stay 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipstick. And I picked up the shade, what are you called? Oh, Duck Face. That's Duck Face, in case anybody's been wondering. Not like it's flattering or cute or anything, but it says it's highly pigmented matte liquid lipstick, quick drying, non-transfer, and long-lasting tested. So this is what the swatch looks like. It's very pretty though. It's, nothing special. It's just nude. Me, nude. Of course. But this is the ultimate reason I went to Ulta for like the third time, was to pick up some of their new, part of their Desert Dreams collection. They came out with a Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliners. So these remind me so much of the ColourPop ones. I've never tried those, so I can't speak to how those perform in comparison to these. Again, I've not even tried these at all yet. But I did pick up 3 shades so that I can play around with them and have fun. I wanted some other shades that I don't have in my collection, because I do have their neon ones, and those are amazing for the price. I love those. So I picked up this one called Baby Pink. And then I picked up the green one, which they're calling Magic Mint, which this looks more of like a pastel lime green almost. And then I picked up this one called Lavender. I don't have a purple eyeliner for my waterline, at least Pastel. Those are so cute. And of course, stay tuned for future videos. I will definitely be having a first impression on all of this stuff and using all of this exciting new makeup that I cannot wait to try. The final two products I picked up from Ulta were some more lashes because you guys, can I stay away? No, I have to have more. I don't know what it is. Picked up two more from Kiss, and I do already have one from this line. This is the Lash Couture Triple Push-Up Collection. I picked up this style called Teddy, and I do already own the style called Brazier. So I will definitely, in the Kiss portion of my lash try-on, I will include those in case you're interested in what they look like. And then I picked up another style from the Lash Couture Luxe Extensions collection, the Ultimate Lash Extensions look. Ooh, that is words. And this is in the style called Cashmere. So I just picked up the style called Royal Silk. I was like, Royal Silk. And I can't speak. So that is everything that I have to show you for this collective haul. I guess you could say part dos or part two for my birthday. I think this is it of everything I'm going to show you for haul wise. I think for this month I will include some other bonus videos for y'all. So I hope you guys are enjoying the extra content of bonus videos, and I hope you guys are enjoying the already uploaded videos on Sundays. Let me know your thoughts in any of the videos in the comments, and I will see you on Sunday's for sure video. Let me know your thoughts on any of these products. Let me know if your birthday is in March as well, so I can wish you a happy birthday. And I hope you have an awesome rest of your day and or week, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye, guys.
If you would like to watch my previous video or be directed to the channel, click the links on your screen.